So I'm here and I finally started project Crapasaki, and I've gotten the clutch cover off, and I had to cut the idler gear here because it was welded on for some reason. And wait, what is that?
Holy Jesus! What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that?
So I finally got the clutch out, and what's interesting here is that the little hub inside has these little holes drilled in it for better cooling and lubrication. And on the cylinder, there's these initials that are carved in. So it would seem that at least at some point in its life this bike was actually well taken care of, and that comes the moment of truth, because I've loosened all the butts, not the butts, loosened all the bolts around here, and moment of truth is to see if my grinding job is good enough to actually get the cover off. Well, I got it out, sort of. The JB weld over here broke off in the process, but should probably replace it anyways. Not sure how rare these cases are, but if it's not that rare, I think I'm just going to replace the whole inner clutch cover here. The rest of the engine is looking in pretty decent condition, so I'm gonna say it's a halfway success. Well, all that remains now is to wait for the crankcase splitter and the flywheel puller, and then I'll be good to go. And of course, looking eBay for a new inner clutch cover. Alright, so I finally got all the tools in the mail, so now I can finally get going on splitting the case. There's a lot of gunk on the inside here, and it smells like old, so we'll probably need a new crank seal, but we're splitting the case anyway, so that's no problem. So I think I found the reason why the kickstarter was welded to the case, and appears that the washer here wasn't properly installed. Wasn't going in that little groove there, so the whole shift shaft was sitting outwards a little bit more than it should, and that probably caused the gear here to rub against the spring here on the outside, just about there. So that's probably why the kick shaft was welded to the case. Alright, so I've installed everything that I need to install, so now comes the moment of truth to see if it will indeed split. I finally got the case to split. It turns out that I have forgotten to these little screws that go on the inside here, in this case half, so I didn't see them, but at least it wasn't anything serious that ever was broken or anything. So finally got the case split, and next step is trying to rebuild the crank.